Hey everyone, welcome back to ByAmbition. In this video, I'll show you how to change the download location in Google Chrome. This lets you choose where your files are saved instead of using the default downloads folder. So let's get started. Step 1. First, open up Google Chrome on your computer, which I already have right here. Step 2, click the three dots in the top right corner, then click Settings. Step 3, in the left menu, click Downloads. Step 4, next to Location, click Change. Step 5, select the folder where you want your downloads to be saved, then click Select Folder. For the sake of this video, I have created a folder called the test folder, and we're going to choose this test folder as an example. After that, click Select. And that's how you change the download location in Google Chrome. If this video helped, like the video, subscribe to ByAmbition, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.